Hi there, my name is Prince Juneja and I'm excited to share a little bit about my journey with you today. I joined Philips in 2023. I'm based in Dubai. I handle additive manufacturing business in the Middle East region. But more than just my professional role, I want to talk about something that has been instrumental in shaping who I am today. Magnificent challenges. Challenges we all know are perceived as obstacle, hurdles, or difficulties every individual encounter in various aspects of life, whether it is professional, personal, or maybe academic, right? But for me, I've always seen every challenge as a new opportunity to learn, grow, and transform. I hail from Punjab, India, known as the breadbasket of India, and moving to the Middle East was never an easy decision. I've always made unconventional choices in life, like pursuing sales after my bachelor's in mechanical engineering and building a career altogether in sales in India. So, after nearly a decade in sales and leadership roles, an opportunity popped up from a different company in Dubai to handle software sales for the Middle East region. So, it was definitely a difficult choice considering the impact on my family. But with their, support and faith, I took the leap of faith. Imagine starting afresh in a new country, leaving behind your friends and professional relationship you made over a period of time. And Dubai, it's definitely a happening city known for its tourism and luxury. So in a place like Dubai, people come from different background, different culture, so much of diversity, but yet there's a mutual respect for every faith and culture. But obviously you have to start all over again, starting from finding a house to struggle for getting a driving license, going to different industrial areas just to understand how the entire ecosystem works. But after 2 successful years in Dubai, a new opportunity came up from Phillips Machine Tools. It was again a challenge as I was going to explore a totally new field of additive manufacturing. It allowed me to push my boundaries and expand my horizon in different ways. I also embraced this new opportunity as well to learn wholeheartedly. At Philips, everyone thrives on such challenges. But I held strong and kept going. To be honest, the word has been kind to me because I believe in the principle of kindness. Consequently, I try to attract only positivity. Though it's a generalized statement, but getting deeper into this mindset requires attention to few key principles which I followed throughout this journey, to anticipate growth. Kindness and generosity has been my guiding principles. They pave the way for reciprocation and success. Embracing the change is very crucial for your growth. Being stagnant won't take you anywhere, but openness to change unlocks your true potential. Another principle I follow is adaptability. It is actually a key in navigating, diverse situations. Persistent efforts are very important. Every day you must wake up with same energy. Undoubtedly, there'll be challenges and bad days. I've faced many. But yet, handling pressure and discovering solutions will foster personal and professional growth. And I also try to learn from my failures. I do make mistakes, but I don't want to repeat the same mistake again because that becomes your habit. So that's a very important principle I try to follow. And stepping out of your comfort zone is also a very important principle. And last but not the least, I seek inspiration and try to inspire others. I'm fortunate to be surrounded by people who lift me up and motivate me to be the best version of myself, whether it is my family, friends, or even my immediate managers at Philips. I look up to them because together we can achieve great things for sure. So there you have it, my journey through magnificent challenges. They've shaped me into the person I am today. I wouldn't have it any other way. Remember, challenges are just opportunities in disguise. Embrace them, learn from them, and watch yourself grow. I don't know whether I'll win or lose at the end of the day, but one thing I can surely promise that I'll keep on learning every day, trying to find out ways to contribute to the overall vision of Philips.